In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and apply Google Cloud discount opportunities during checkout. If you're looking to reduce your cloud costs, the good news is that there are a few legitimate places where discounts may be available. The key is to focus on official or reputable sources and to make sure you apply any offer correctly before you complete your purchase. To begin, navigate to the official Google Cloud referral or community program boards. These are useful places to look because official community spaces often share promotional opportunities, referral benefits, or limited time offers connected to Google Cloud services. As you browse, pay close attention to the terms of each offer. Some promotions only apply to new customers, while others may be limited by region, account type, or specific services. Taking a moment to review those details can save you time later in the checkout process. Next, reach out to certified Google Cloud partners and ask about custom bundle discounts. This step is especially helpful if you're planning a larger purchase or expect ongoing usage. Certified partners may be able to offer bundled pricing, account guidance, or promotional packages that are not always obvious on the standard pricing page. When contacting a partner, be clear about what services you're interested in so they can point you toward the most relevant savings options. After that, search for active regional promo coupons using reputable coupon engines. This is important because some discount codes are tied to specific countries or markets, and expired or unverified codes can waste your time. Stick to well-known coupon sources and look for recently updated listings whenever possible. If you find multiple codes, compare their terms carefully, since one may offer better value depending on the products or billing setup you choose. When you're ready to make your purchase, select annual billing plans during checkout to maximize discount savings. In many cases, longer billing commitments come with lower overall pricing compared to monthly plans. If your budget and usage needs are predictable, choosing annual billing can increase the total amount you save, especially when combined with a valid promotional offer. Finally, apply the chosen code at checkout to secure your discount pricing. Enter the code carefully, make sure it is accepted, and verify that the discounted amount appears before you finalize the order. Always